Okay, I want to show y'all something. I am so tired. I've been sitting here beating this board for, since 10 o'clock. It is now 1:30. I'm just tired of beating it, right? So I pulled up the Uber Freight. I'm going to be in Durham. On Monday. 122-mile deadhead to Chickasaw, South Carolina to Knoxville, Tennessee. Now, that's $1,050 on 302 miles, which is about, what is that, just right at $3 a mile. But take the deadhead in there, it's going to be like it's going to be like $2.50 roughly. Which all these loads on this board up here are paying $2 if you're lucky. I mean, the freight is crazy cheap. Now this is 7,000-pound load. It picks up at Crown and goes to Crown. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's a forklift company, but food grade trailer. I don't know what it is. I don't really care, you know. Take it up there and drop it off, and because right here there's just no freight, man. Look here. Sorry if there's audio. This camera's audio. I mean, there's 113 loads on here that's within a 75-mile deadhead. Normally I don't have to deadhead that far, but I have called and just nothing I want to do. Yeah, I can wait till Monday, and this load might come up on Monday. Let's just go look at, let's go see if there's one on, because I know they say they had multiple ones. Let's start with today's date. Let's just see, because we might be able to call and make an offer. All right, so yeah, see there it is for $12.25, you know, because they need to move it, right? So we could take a chance and risk it, you know. But see, that one picks up at 7:45 at night and delivers at 3:45 in the morning. Must be some kind of distribution center, because they have them. I noticed they've been moving them a lot. And see, here it is for $1,050. Now we could call and make an offer on that, or we could just click the button and take it, you know. So it's $2.45 a mile, and that's every penny of that. I get that right there, every penny of it, you know. So yeah, it's $12.25 there. And like I said, we could call and make an offer, or we could just click the button here and book the load, you know. What to do? My hands hurt now. Hold on a second.
Thank you for calling Uber Freight. We're experiencing a high volume of calls at the moment, and all of our representatives are busy helping other customers. If your call is not urgent, you can always email us at freight@uber.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, please give us a call back shortly. Thanks again for choosing Uber Freight, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Gracias por llamar a Uber Freight. Todos nuestros representantes están ocupados ayudando a otros clientes. Si su llamada no es urgente, siempre puede enviarnos un correo electrónico a freight@uber.com y nos comunicaremos con usted lo más pronto posible. De lo contrario, devuélvanos la llamada en breve. Gracias de nuevo por elegir Uber Freight y esperemos poder hablar con usted pronto.
Did they just hang up on me? I think they just hung up on me. So we probably should just go ahead and book that, you know. I was going to call and see what it was. Sorry, it's probably too close to the mic. I wanted to call and see what the product was before I booked it, you know. But I think they just...
Thanks for calling Uber Freight. All of our representatives are currently on the phone, so please stay on hold and we'll be with you as soon as someone becomes available.
That's a bit odd.
Did you know we have a free mobile phone app that shows all of our available loads and prices? The Uber Freight app is easy to use and lets you book loads whenever you want, 24/7, without ever having to call in. New loads are added frequently, and customized filtering lets you search loads you want based on the preferences you set. Download the Uber Freight app for free today and start booking the loads that you choose.
It's just not a good day to be in the freight business, apparently.
Hi, and thanks for calling Uber Freight. All of our representatives are currently on the phone, so please stay on hold and we'll be with you as soon as someone becomes available. Did you know we have a free mobile phone app that shows all of our available loads and prices? The Uber Freight app is easy to use and lets you book loads whenever you want, 24/7, without ever having to call in.
Well, y'all think
New
this
loads
is
are added
ranked to
frequently,
Monday?
and customized
So that's
filtering
on the
lets you
board
search
for
loads you
today.
want based on the preferences you set. Download the Uber Freight app for free today and start booking the loads that you choose.
It's 2 o'clock pickup time. I like that pickup time. It drops the same day, you know. I could do that. I could make my delivery in Durham.
Your call will be recorded for training purposes.
Uber Freight, may I have your load number?
Yes, sir. I am calling about load number 411-955-6679.
Okay, just one moment. I'll pull that up. Showing available load from Cheraw, South Carolina to Knoxville, Tennessee. How can I help?
I need to know what the commodity is and if we can get $11.50 on that rate.
We can put the offer into the notes, and if the customer rep doesn't get his asking right, he'll come back and check the offers. You said $11.50.
Yes, sir.
And what's your MC number?
053638.
Taking a look. Gorley Trucking.
That's correct.
All right. I've got that offer posted into the notes. Was there any others I can help with?
Yes, sir. What's the commodity?
Just one moment. Let me look up the list. It's showing consumer foods / beverages.
Okay. So grocery distribution or... yeah, I don't know what's in
Looks like
the...
12. I'm sorry?
I'm sorry. I'll talk over you. What? You said it looks like drinks?
Yeah, they said beverages.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Let me know when we get the offer in.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thanks for calling it in.
Bye-bye. Well, that didn't go very well, did it? We talked over him and blah, blah, blah. I'm just tired of messing with these loads, man. I guarantee we'll get that. You watch. So, beverages, going to Crown. I need to Google what that, I'm going to Google what that is. I'm going to go do that. Let's go Google. Let's go Google that address. You hang on a second. Let's shut this down. Googled it. Pepsi. So it's Pepsi Cola. Oh yeah. So I don't know what that would be like. Docs look fairly simple, no matter which side you go to. If you went there, you could get in those and probably go through this gate. And yes, that looks fairly simple. That'd be an easy deal. And if you check the reviews, which I'm sure, because we are afraid that drivers will tear up our equipment. What? Let's see. Hello, Pepsi. To all rude and arrogant workers of Pepsi in Knoxville, I will come. I don't know. Just another bad shipper receiver. Yeah, like all the other reviews. 3 different gates with no signs at the road for shipping and receiving. So you're left guessing which gate. Yeah, typical, right? Worst shipper receiver, if you see a rate con with this delivery address, just cancel the load, don't go there. They keep you there for over 18 hours and then you won't get paid. Wow. Had a 12 o'clock appointment, didn't get loaded until 23:50. They promised me a detention slip. Such a nasty and disrespectful place to pick up loads. Complete disrespect for drivers. There was 6 hours sitting on the side of the street before getting unloaded. No restroom for drivers at all. Humanity is dead. Avoid this stupid company. Avoid Pepsi in general. Holy smokes. So there you go. Every review on here is bad. So appointment at 1600, arrived at 1440, was told to sit outside on Main Road till a yard dog came and got me. Yard dog came at 1630, loaded out the gate at 1745. So yeah, don't show up early. They even took pictures. Wow. So yeah, I mean, everybody, like somebody have to review which gate to use. How cool is that? See, Google is your friend, you know, but the reviews are not good. So okay, if they call back and accepted our offer, we'll just graciously decline. So there you go. Oh, sorry, I missed it, man. I had just took the memory card out of the camcorder, and Uber calls me. And see, look here, Niesto, California. See, very top number. See it? So Uber calls me from California, and she said, "Hey, I see you're interested in one of my loads out of Chickasaw, South Carolina." I said, "Yes, ma'am, but I just Googled the results, Googled the reviews of the receiver in Knoxville." She started laughing. And I said, "That's horrible." She said, "Yes, it absolutely is." So she's aware of the problem. She's like, the whole ever delivery just is horrific. She said, "Don't plan on getting out of there anytime soon. But all she can do is pay detention, you know." And I said, "Well, I'm good, because it doesn't deliver till 10 o'clock at night. I got better things to do besides sit on the side of the road till 2 or 3 in the morning. My 14 runs out, so I can't do it." And she said, "So what do you want to do about your offer?" I said, "I would like to graciously retract it." And she laughed. She said, "Absolutely." So Uber, kudos, man, for upfront and honesty. So love it, guys. so I wish I'd had the SD card in and recorded that phone call. That would have been killer, but oh well. See ya.